Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this occasion, I want to explain about my third project that is find my edge. So this is the material is same is Kodular. Okay, so in here I will explain the design, the component, the common properties of this Kodular and the blocks also. So this is the screen one. So at the screen one, yes, there is a button. This, then this is the background color. The H I'm setting to automatic and the width also. So the text alignment I set to center. So the text is a skip. Okay, so this is the block. So when button welcome screen is clicked, so open another screen to the second screen. Okay, next to the onboarding. Okay, lagi I think again. Okay, so this is the second screen. So in here, the explanation of Find My Edge app. So the code is still same like the screen one, and then the common properties is still same. There's a skip button. The H also I set to automatic, and the width and the text alignment I set to center, and the text is a skip. Okay, so next to the loading screen. So this is the loading screen for setting or for animation. So when you open this Find My Edge application, so later there is a loading screen. The code I set to 5. So I choose the file from the icon scout. So the block, this is block. So when the loading screen do, so the clock will be started, and then when the clock is start, so the screen will be moved to next screen or the home screen. Okay, so we next to the home screen. This is the home screen of the Find My Edge application. So I put the space in here. The H is 5% and the width is automatic. So the vertical arrangement also, and the label. So I'm setting the vertical arrangement. The line horizontal is left, so the line vertical is top. The H is automatic and the width 55%. So the label, the font size is 25 and the font is sans serif. H automatic with the fill parent, and text is Find My Edge, and the text icon is left. The text color is black. So space 1%, do it automatic. Press again, this is the label. Okay. Then there is a card view. So I set the card view, the line horizontal is to left and vertical is to top. The background color is white and the content padding button is 16, heading left still same, heading right is still same, 16, and heading top 9, corner radius I set to 13, elevation 2, H is automatic and with field parent, and the strip color is a gray, the strip width is a 0. So the label, font size, so the font is okay. So this is the font type is default, so the H automatic and the width is field parent. So this is text, and the text alignment I set to the left, so the color of this text is black. Okay, so I add the space, the H is 2%, and the width automatic. So there is a horizontal arrangement also. So the line is left and horizontal, and the line vertical is top one. The H automatic and the width 80%. Okay, so there is an image. This the day of cat. Okay. So after image there is a space. So the H is automatic and the width 2 pixels. Okay. And then there is a space again. The H 1%. The width is automatic. Okay. So below of the horizontal arrangement there is a space for making a distance. So the look will be better if you look on your phone. So this is a level 3 for making an example. So the H automatic with 50% and the font type space is default. So below the label there is a space I set to 2% and with the parent. So there is a label. So this is the H. The font size is color. Font type space default. H and width I set to automatic. So the text arrangement is a 0. The text color is a blue. So there is a space again also, and then the card view. So at the card view I put the horizontal arrangement and image and space, label, space, and label. So below of that component, so I put the space, and then below of the space there is a button, and I put again below the button and the card view is there is a space. So I add the card view again or put the image. So I will change to the S9. So this is the image and decoration and the crop. Okay, so I will show the blocks of this home script. So this is all of the block I can see in here. So when the home screen is open, so you can put the text, for example, text when you born. So later there is a So this is the code for calculate the age. Okay, so after this, I will demonstration this application at my phone. Okay.
Okay, so this is the demonstration of the Kodular Find My Age application. Okay, so this is the explanation of this application, and also there is a loading screen. Okay, so this is the home screen of the Find My Age application. So I will test this. Okay, so I will enter the years when you're born. For example, is 2011. Okay, so later there is an image that will show you, are you a teenager or you adult, child, or still a toddler. Okay, maybe that's all for this project. Sorry if I have some mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.